In a world where innovation drives convenience, the rise of smart gadgets is redefining how we interact with our surroundings. Amazon, being the ultimate marketplace for tech enthusiasts, showcases a wide range of futuristic gadgets that not only make life easier but also bring fun, efficiency, and uniqueness to everyday tasks. Whether you're a productivity geek, a home automation enthusiast, or someone who just loves trying new gadgets, here are 10 cool items on Amazon that will definitely catch your eye. But before start the video, please subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Couch console, stay organized while you relax. If you're someone who loves binge watching on the couch but hates the mess of snacks, drinks, and remote controls, the couch console is a must-have. This modular organizer is designed to sit securely on your couch and hold everything you need within arm's reach. It includes a self-balancing cup holder so your drink won't spill, a snack holder, a phone stand, and compartments for your remotes or game controllers. The best part, it's fully modular, so you can rearrange the sections as you like. Some models even have a charging dock or USB ports for added functionality. Whether you live alone or share your space with others, the couch console ensures your relaxation time is clutter-free and enjoyable. EcoShield OcuLamp, eye-friendly lighting solution. Designed by optometrists, the EcoShield OcuLamp is more than just a lamp. It's a health-conscious lighting solution. It's built to protect your eyes from harmful blue light emissions, which are known to cause eye strain, poor sleep quality, and headaches. The OcuLamp uses specially designed light wavelengths to reduce eye fatigue, making it ideal for long study or work sessions, especially in the evenings. The lamp features 3 brightness levels and adjustable color temperatures: cool white, neutral white, and warm yellow, allowing you to customize the light based on your activity and time of day. Its sleek, modern look makes it a perfect addition to any desk, bedside table, or office setup. Whether you're reading, working on a laptop, or relaxing before bed, the OcuLamp provides optimal lighting without compromising eye health. Geekey Multitool, everyday carry simplified. Compact, lightweight, and surprisingly functional, the Geekey Multitool is an all-in-one gadget designed for everyday carry. Shaped like a house key, this pocket-sized device integrates over 16 tools, including a screwdriver, wrench, bottle opener, file, scoring tool, can opener, and even a bike spoke key. Made from 420 stainless steel, it's tough enough to handle small tasks while being light enough to carry anywhere. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just want to be prepared for minor repairs on the go, Geekey is a reliable companion. Its TSA-compliant design also means you can take it with you on flights. For DIY lovers or anyone who appreciates practical design, this multi-tool is a small but mighty addition to your keychain. SwitchBot Smart Curtain Smart Home Upgrade. Want to make your curtains smart without replacing them? The SwitchBot Smart Curtain lets you automate your existing drapes or blinds with ease. This device mounts to your curtain rod and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi with the optional SwitchBot hub. With a single tap or a voice command through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, you can open or close your curtains effortlessly. It also supports scheduling, so your curtains can open at sunrise and close at sunset. Ideal for improving your sleep cycle or maintaining home security. The built-in light sensor allows it to operate based on ambient light, and its battery lasts for weeks on a single charge. It's a subtle but effective smart home upgrade that adds luxury and convenience to your daily routine. Eufy Security Cam. Peace of mind in HD. Home security is more important than ever, and the Eufy Security Cam series offers robust protection without the subscription fees associated with other brands. The Eufy Cam is known for its high-definition video up to 2K resolution, advanced motion detection with AI, and seamless integration with smart home systems. Whether you choose an indoor model or a floodlight cam for outdoor use, Eufy cameras feature night vision, two-way audio, and local storage options. This means your data stays secure, and you can monitor your home from anywhere using the Eufy app. These cameras are weather-resistant, easy to install, and perfect for both apartments and larger homes. Mini chainsaw, power tool in your palm. Need to trim branches or do light woodwork without lugging around heavy equipment? A mini chainsaw like the Jalfei 48V cordless version delivers impressive cutting power in a compact form. Weighing less than 3 blelbs, it's ideal for home gardeners, DIYers, and those who need a handy tool for quick jobs around the yard. Despite its size, the mini chainsaw can cut through 4-inch diameter wood with ease. It comes with safety features like a handguard, a lock button to prevent accidental starts, and ergonomic grips for comfort. The battery lasts for several hours on a single charge and is easy to swap out if needed. For occasional use or small-scale cutting tasks, this tool strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. Window cleaning robot. Let the robot do the dirty work. Cleaning windows, especially high or hard-to-reach ones, is a task most people dread. That's where a window cleaning robot like the F8 Smart T8 Pro comes in. It sticks to your window using powerful suction and uses smart sensors to navigate and clean efficiently without leaving streaks. With edge detection technology, the robot won't fall off frameless windows, and you can control its operation via a remote or smartphone app. It's especially useful for apartment dwellers with large windows or people with limited mobility. These robots typically work on a variety of surfaces, including glass, tiles, and mirrors, making them versatile additions to your cleaning toolkit. Magnetic pickup tool. Small gadget, big help. Ever dropped a screw behind the couch or lost a washer under your car seat? The magnetic pickup tool is designed for just such moments. It features a strong magnet at the end of a telescoping arm that can extend up to 32 inches. Some models include built-in LED lights to illuminate dark or narrow spaces, making retrieval even easier. This tool is especially useful for mechanics, plumbers, or anyone who works with small metal parts. Its handle is usually rubberized for better grip, and its slim design allows it to fit into the tightest spots. While it might seem like a niche tool, once you have one, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Tick Time, the ultimate productivity timer. Tick Time is a revolutionary timer designed specifically to enhance productivity and help you manage your time effectively. Unlike traditional timers or smartphone apps that can be clunky or distracting, Tick Time stands out with its tactile and intuitive interface. It features a unique hexagonal design with preset time durations like 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, and 30 minutes. All you have to do is flip it to the side representing the desired time, and the countdown begins. It's perfect for users of the Pomodoro technique, which promotes focused work sessions followed by short breaks. Tick Time is rechargeable, compact, and designed to fit seamlessly into your desk setup. It also has a digital display and customizable sound settings, including a silent mode for libraries or shared workspaces. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone trying to beat procrastination, Tick Time can be a game changer. InCharge X, the ultimate charging cable. Forget about carrying multiple cables when you travel. The InCharge X is a 6-in-1 universal charging cable that combines all the most common USB connections into one sleek and portable design. It supports USB-A, USB-C, and Lightning connections, making it compatible with virtually all devices from Android phones to iPads and laptops. What makes InCharge X so special is its fast charging capability, up to 100 watts, ensuring your devices are powered up in no time. It also supports data transfer up to 480 megabits. The cable is durable, thanks to its braided metal exterior, and its compact form factor means it fits easily into your pocket or attaches to your keychain with magnets. For frequent travelers or gadget lovers, this tiny tool packs a powerful punch. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Whether you're optimizing your productivity, upgrading your home, or simply enjoying new tech, these 10 gadgets from Amazon deliver innovation and practicality in equal measure. From smart home devices to clever everyday tools, they make excellent additions to your lifestyle or great gifts for the gadget lover in your life.